Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eric, also known as Ready Hustle. It's been a while since I posted my last video, and it's been even longer since I posted my last embroidery video, but today I got one for you. And it's not gonna be hats, it's not gonna be shirts, it's actually something totally different. My nephew requested for his boss a pillow to be made, so I'm gonna go ahead, pull out the pillow and show you. Okay, so here it is. So it's gonna go in the car, behind the neck. I think the person owns like Teslas, so they have the auto drive function, so they probably get naps. Ooh, I wish I had that in my truck when I had a truck. That would have been so nice. Let's go ahead, get this hooped, and get stitching. Okay, so the design that I made is actually about 2.5 inches tall, so we'll be using this small little hoop. And they're already, luckily, the pillow opened up in the back and I was able to just slide it right off, so be easy to hoop. And then I'm going to use 2 pieces of tearaway stabilizer, so let's go ahead and get it hooped up. Okay guys, so I want it right in the middle. Let's see if I could do it. So you kind of eyeball where you're at, and like a pretty centered. Oops. Okay guys, well, let's give it a go. At least I got 2 chances at this. So I got it all hooped up. Got my design pulled up on the screen here. One thing that I did off camera, I forgot to show you, is water soluble stabilizer. I forgot that. Usually we float it on the single needles, so I forgot. I guess you want to hoop it on these industrial ones. So it's looking pretty straight. I think we got it lined up good. Now these hoops, they're just like Tajima. So any kind of fitting you get for this, you'll get the Tajima one. It's basically a Tajima clone. So I'll slip it over here. Gotta make sure that we don't stitch it closed. That we don't stitch it closed. That we don't stitch it closed. It's like me and Nita. We know about stitching things closed. Been there, done that. Okay, so real quick on the screen, got the design picked. It's loaded up, and the machine is set to embroider. We're gonna pick our thread colors. I already picked them, but just to do it again, let's just change it to different colors. So don't mind the colors, just because we have to go in and change the colors, and because we change up the thread so much, we just, we kind of know what thread is where. So we're going to start with blue, which is loaded up in 14. It's like a blue-gray or something. And then we're going to finish off in white, which happens to be number 1, but it shows red. So go ahead, hit OK. Guys, we're going to go one size bigger. Alright guys, take 2. This time I drew a little X so I could see the center better. And I used a bigger hoop, so should go better. I'm still learning how to use the hoop, man. That was probably my issue. Alright, so didn't even come close to hitting any sides, so we're feeling pretty good. You ready to do this thing? I'm gonna hit the green button and away we go. Alright guys, so lately I've been joking with Nita and telling her that I'm her embroidery god and I know more than her, and look what your boy just did. Rookie. Let's see if I can save it. Alright guys, look how perfect it came out. Well, you know, good enough I guess, but one big issue. Oh my god. So, you know, I don't know, maybe my nephew will still talk to me after this, we'll see. But, you know, we have other uncles, so I'm sure he'll just talk to his other uncles. Oh, well, you know, I already messed up one, so I might as well go ahead and try to mess up another. Luckily, my nephew knows me, and he brought 2 pillows, so hopefully the second one, I won't have to cut the back out, but at least the first one looks good. Maybe I could put some kind of patch over the spot that I cut. Look at that, I'm not so zoomed in on myself. Okay, so maybe I could put a little patch over the back of the pillow that I had to cut off. Maybe that will fix it. I mean, I guess it will fix it, but it's kind of ugly. Luckily, it's going to be in a spot where no one's going to see, so at least my nephew maybe could put it on his car, because it's supposed to be a gift for his boss, and you can't give it to him like that, so cross your fingers I don't mess this one up. Okay, let's see how we did. That look in the center. We'll see. Looks like a dog bone. What do you guys think? Not bad, huh? Not bad. My first time doing it. Took 2 tries. I think they're both usable, but alright, well. Okay guys, well, I hope you enjoyed me, watch me struggle through making these pillows. I hope my nephew enjoys it. Hopefully they're good enough for him. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you like, tell me what I should have done better. I'm sure there's a bunch of things I could have done better, but go ahead, let me know. I love the criticism, no biggie. So criticize away, please. And if you haven't joined Nita Fajita's Facebook group, she's over there editing a video right now, that's why I pointed. Join her Facebook group. Tons of giveaways happening over there. There'll be a giveaway on my channel coming up here soon. I want to give away a bunch of transfers once I hit 1K, so look for that. Maybe sub if you haven't, so we'll get closer to that goal. Alright, well, I think I knocked it all out. Well, once again, guys, thanks for being here. Appreciate it. Bye.